one of the student, she has asked that whenever she starts preparing for SSB, she gets disheartened. I can understand when you have got a big target in front of you and sometimes you don't enjoy preparation, whether it is written or SSB or studying current affairs or studying about anything which you are not liking. At such time, firstly, plan a break of 2 to 3 days. Go out somewhere. I know presently the COVID-19 is going on in the country, and especially nowadays it is a second wave. You are not able to go out. There are no outdoor activities. You cannot take a break and go on a picnic. But there is no problem. Firstly, don't study anything concerning SSB. No current affairs, nothing, no group discussion. Take a break, listen to your favorite music. In case you can play any indoor game like chess, you can do it. Sleep for long hours. See your best favorite movies or your favorite TV shows. Enjoy. Feel happy. You will be refreshed within a week and then start your preparation. In case you have got any query, kindly leave your message in the comment below. Yeah, one of the student has asked, he has got some blade marks on his hand. Will it be a problem in getting his medical examination? Gentlemen, I want to tell you, firstly, in case you have got any this kind of problem or any question, my suggestion to you is you must personally go and meet any doctor in the market or the place where you are staying, and preferably if he or she is a retired army doctor, because only they can examine where your blade marks are there, what were the reasons. So kindly go and get things examined by an authorized medical specialist. Yeah, the question from one of the candidate is that he is studying in 11th. Should he appear for the NDA written test or not? Even if you, firstly, it is very difficult for a student of 11th to clear NDA exam, because there are a lot of subject topics in the math paper, which math and even science, which you have not touched, or you may not be able to attempt it. And if you get a negative result, that can be disheartening. Appear in 12th standard in NDA exam with full preparation. I don't recommend appearing in 11th standard. You may end up telling, सर एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा और मुझे ये आइडिया मिलेगा क्वेश्चन किस तरह के आते हैं. नो, आई डोंट एग्री विद दैट. यू मस्ट appear after full preparation in 12th. Whenever you ask such kind of question, name 5 best friends, your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Be truthful. There is nothing wrong in having boyfriend or girlfriend. Be truthful. And when it is asked what are the qualities which you like in them, there must be some reason because of which you must have developed friendship with him or her. You must mention those reasons. And let me tell you, the reasons for which you have made a friend, whether boyfriend or girlfriend, it means you have got liking for those reasons. For example, if you say, my boyfriend or my girlfriend, he or she is very straightforward, it means you do not like people who are not straightforward. Yeah, one of the candidate has asked, he is not clear about writing self-description, what his or her parents think about them. Let me tell you, it's the most easiest. Ask your father, ask your mother 2 of your good qualities and 2 of your bad qualities. You will get a good list, let me tell you, I can assure you. And then give a call to your teacher, any of your teacher. Ask at least to more than one teacher. You will get an opinion about you. He will also have a good long list, the way your parents have got about you. And then be true in writing that also. If you like my content, then like, share, and subscribe.